Hello, a new day, February 25th, 2026, has just begun. Using the advanced TRIARIUS software, we will now generate a forecast for the next 3 trading days. First instrument, WTI spot oil. We see a 38% probability of an upward move, 53% probability of a downward move, and 9% probability of sideways movement. WTI spot oil is tilted bearish with a downside bias. Second instrument, spot gold. We see a 53% probability of an upward move, 37% probability of a downward move, and 10% probability of sideways movement. Gold has a modest bullish edge, though the market remains fairly balanced. Third instrument, euro versus dollar. We see a 39% probability of an upward move, 52% probability of a downward move, and 9% probability of sideways movement. Euro is leaning slightly bullish, though still fairly balanced. Fourth instrument, dollar versus Japanese yen. We see a 39% probability of an upward move, 52% probability of a downward move, and 9% probability of sideways movement. Japanese yen is leaning slightly bullish, though still fairly balanced. Fifth instrument, Bitcoin. We see a 39% probability of an upward move, 52% probability of a downward move, and 9% probability of sideways movement. Bitcoin is leaning slightly bullish, though still fairly balanced. Sixth instrument, Ethereum. We see a 40% probability of an upward move, 52% probability of a downward move, and 8% probability of sideways movement. Ethereum is tilted bearish, with a moderate downside bias. This information will also be available in my Telegram channel. Wishing everyone profitable trades. Stay tuned for the next forecast.